If Solitaire cache identity verification is stuck, the fastest fix is usually to restart the verification process and check that the information you entered matches your account details exactly. By the end, you'll know what to check when verification stays pending, fails during document upload, or keeps sending you back to the same verification screen. First, completely close Solitaire cache and reopen it. Don't just leave the app running in the background. Start the verification process again from the account or withdrawal section where the verification request appeared. If the app asks for your name, date of birth, address, or other personal information, enter exactly as it appears on your verification document. Even a small mismatch can prevent the verification process from completing. Next, check the document upload itself. Use a current, valid document that Solitaire cache accepts, and make sure the entire document is visible. Avoid photos with glare, shadows, cropped edges, or text that cannot be read clearly. If the camera screen is not loading correctly, close the app and reopen it before trying the upload again. Your internet connection can also affect verification. If the verification page keeps loading or returns you to the previous screen, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Also disable any VPN or network filter that could interfere with the verification connection. There's another thing to check: if the verification appears successful, but your account still shows it as incomplete, look for a pending verification message rather than submitting the same information repeatedly. Repeated attempts can make it harder to tell whether the original verification is still being processed. If the app displays a specific verification error, take a screenshot of that message before trying another fix. That gives you the exact wording to provide to Solitaire cache support. Finally, if your information is correct, your document is readable, your connection works, and the verification still will not complete, contact Solitaire cache support through the app or its official support channel. Include your account details that support requests require, the exact error message, and what you already tried. So, the key fixes are simple. Restart the verification process. Make every account detail match your document. Upload a clear accepted document. Test another connection, and avoid repeatedly submitting the same verification request. Your next step is to reopen Solitaire cache and check the verification screen for a specific error or pending status before submitting anything again. If this fixed the verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.